When naming acids and bases, you want to look at all parts of your acid. So in this one, you have one hydrogen and then another element, and then that means it's binary. So for binary, you take the last element and then you add IC, and then at the end you add acid. So the answer for this one would be sulfuric acid. For this example, it's CaOH2, and you know that it's a base because of the OH. So when naming bases, the first step, you take the first element, which is carbon, and then step 2, you add hydroxide. So the answer would be carbon hydroxide. Acid, it's a ternary acid because there's 3 elements, H3PO4, and the base acid is PO3, which is phosphate. And if there's one more oxygen than the base acid, you add per to the beginning, then add the third element plus IC, and then finally add acid. So the answer would be perphosphoric acid.
Calculating pH. Example, 2.34 times 10 to the negative 5th m of NaOH. POH equals negative log 2.3 times 10 to the negative 5th, which equals 4.6. Then find the pH, you do since they ask for pH, but you have a base, you subtract that from 14, since the pH plus OH equals 14. The answer is 9.4, so I'll just demonstrate it for you. pH plus POH equals 14, so pH equals 14 plus 4.6, and then there's the minus, so pH equals 9.4. Since the acid is dissolving in water, the H2O increases in the concentration. Since the acid is dissolving in water, it causes an increase in H3O. Since the base is dissolving in water, it causes an increase in OH.